Okay, what is up, YouTube? Today, this is the Shadow Striker RC car. It's awesome. It's about 60 bucks. It better be awesome. Supposed to do that. And I broke it more. But yeah, today we're going to be cruising around with this thing. And just check it out. The freaking thing cruises. It's awesome. I got it for my birthday. Rocket smooth. Okay, hold on. Okay, you see that porch thing right there? Oh, it went under. Oh, geez. It's not going too good. It's trying to go, though. It's trying its best. Okay, and that's why you don't drive one of these in grass, because number one, there's
drive it over there.
Oh, really? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure nobody will just come
Don't
and
let
run
us.
it over?
No.
If somebody runs it over, I'll end up on Tosh.0. You don't know what that show is, I bet.
Nope. Don't.
Okay. Again. Alright, that was freaking cool. I just ran this thing. Probably gonna get run over now. Okay. Now I got an even better idea than what just happened.
Oh my god.
Did you guess it? That slide is very bumpy.
You gotta destroy a $60 car.
Yeah, but I got a lifetime warranty.
Yeah, so.
I got a 2-year warranty on this. Why not? You know, if it gets broken, I'm gonna get it out for free.
I'll get the good view. Wait, are you jumping? Oh, I thought you were going down the slide. Oh, wait. Okay, good.
That would just be plain stupid.
It would be.
Okay. Holy crap! Next stop, we've already done this before, but now I'm going to do it on the track.
Yeah, probably a great idea.
What we've already done.
Yep, that's
We know what's
so you
going to
know.
happen. Like it's kind of,
Just so you know, it in real life it's actually a lot faster than
it looks.
on a screen.
Yeah.
It looks freaking boss.
Okay.
Here, dude, let's get in there and
bounce.
do it. Yeah,
That's
do it
what
what
I
you're
was
doing.
planning on doing.
Dude, take your shoes off.
I know. I was gonna
Freeze.
Okay.
What we were doing earlier, we're trying to bounce it, and it was
Yeah.
actually flipping around like crazy.
It's got hydraulics. You should get that.
Yeah.
Hydraulics. It's a lowrider now.
Yeah.
You know, it's meant for off-roading, but now it's... Wait, hold on. Okay, it's fine. Okay, I heard something bust. Hold on. Well, the spoiler just kind of got bent.
Yeah.
But again. Okay.
Oh god.
By the way, me and Keegan already broke the bumper off this thing. See?
As you can see a little bit. What the freak?
Okay, so I would suggest getting one of these. I'm just going to say that now. Video is probably going to be a lot longer. Hold on. Do it.
Should I?
Yeah, just do it.
That's gonna bust, dude.
Just do it! Holy freak! That was awesome! We flipped it.
Oh god, that hurt. Oh, snow.
Hey, it's my downfall. Keegan, flip it back over and fix the spoiler if it's busted.
Did,
Get my
probably.
It's fine. Is the spoiler messed up?
Nope.
Oh, crap. It's stable.
Snow. With no shoes on. Oh god, it's so freaking cold.
It's stable.
Oh, that's so cool. You can see through the trampoline. Wonderful. Okay, sorry.
Okay?
Oh,
Let's bring it back on that lane thing because I feel like that was a lot of fun.
what? Yeah, okay.
What is it?
Let me go get my shoes. Grab his leg. Obviously, or I will kill you. I think you got a little stuck.
Yeah, I know that. By the way, this doesn't drive too good through grass. It drives best through snow, stuff like that.
It looks like it drives about like 20 miles an hour. That was.
Here, let's bring it through the woods.
Let's see how much horsepower it has. Like, dude, let's drive down that mountain. Here. Dude, we can walk up this way.
Huh?
We can walk up this way. Dude.
Yeah, probably do that.
You might want to see.
By the way,
Let's
I
climb.
would so suggest buying Shadow Striker. Because they're awesome.
Just so you know, this is our neighbor's yard, not. Well, it's actually split.
Let's start it here.
Dude, I would suggest. Dude, I think we should do it up here.
Nah. Holy crap, I think this flipped a rock over.
It's getting so small.
Look at how far away that is. It's stuck now. Let's go.
Yeah,
Keegan.
it's like right in the snow over there. Snow area.
Okay, we're gonna end this video here. I hope you enjoyed watching us speed up on this poor little RC car. The thing's awesome. We barely even beat up on it because the thing's awesome and it doesn't break. It's so durable. I mean, I was traveling through the parking lot and I got so many stones stuck through it. But yeah, so we're gonna end this video here. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm not gonna be making any videos more myself for a long time because my phone is messed up. So